How to post to Facebook using make.com here on the browser, or how you can simply do it. Follow the video to step-by-step guide to perform this. Make.com lets you build powerful workflows called scenarios that automatically post your Facebook page from tools like Google Sheets, Airtable, or WordPress. Now, create a make.com account, visit make.com and sign up or log in. Once in the dashboard, click create a new scenario. Then connect Facebook Pages module to it. In the scenario builder, click the plus icon to add a module, select for Facebook page and select it. Choose the action create post. You will be prompted to connect your Facebook account and select the page you want to post to. You must be an admin of the Facebook page to post through Make. Step 3 will be configure your post. Now you will set to the content to the post. Message, write your post, text or map it from a data source like Google Sheet column. Link optional, add a URL to share, image URL, include an image. You can use variables like title data or date, autofill from RSS or spreadsheet rows. Step 4 will be add a trigger. Want to automate posting based on new content? Add a trigger module before Facebook. Google Sheets when a new row is added, when a new blog is posted or published, that is RSS. Airtable when the record is created or updated. Schedule post at set time stays, example daily at 10 a.m. Step 5 is test and run the scenario. You can simply save it and run the scenario from your software to simply do it. Thank you so much for watching this video.